Okay, so as you are looking at the image that this coconut plant is growing, it has grown near the ocean water, and in the second image, its fruit has fallen into the water, and these water waves, these are the water waves, and they are carrying basically this fruit from one place to the other place. It's carrying away, basically it's carry the seeds with it, and it's carrying away from its parent plants. These are the parent plants, so it's carrying away from the parent plants. So this was the last method that I have told you. Now before telling you further, I will now going to share a video with you, and in this you will see the different methods of seed dispersal. It's a very interesting video. You have to watch and listen it carefully. I'm playing the video, okay?
The fruits and the seeds. Flowers turn into fruits. Most fruits store food. Cut open any fruit, it has seeds. Seeds are necessary for the formation of new plants. Seeds also store food, which is used by the new plant during germination. Let us know what is dispersal of seeds. A plant produces large number of fruits and seeds. These fruits and seeds are carried to faraway places. The process of carrying seeds and fruits to faraway places is known as dispersal of seeds. Why is dispersal of seeds important? Let us perform an activity. Take a few gram seeds and 2 pots. Fill both the pots with garden soil. In one pot, sow 2 or 3 seeds only. In another pot, sow 20 to 25 seeds very close to each other. Water both the pots regularly. Observe and record the growth of new plants. The pot with 2-3 seeds have healthy plants. The pot with 20 to 25 seeds have weak plants. This is because the seeds did not get enough sunlight, water, and space to grow. Seeds and fruits are dispersed mainly by air or wind, water, and animals. Dispersal of seeds and fruits by air. Seeds and fruits which are dispersed by air are light in weight. Some seeds develop thin membranous wings that help them to float in air. Seeds of cotton and oak have got hair that help them to float in air. Dispersal of seeds and fruits by water. Fruits of coconut and lotus are dispersed by water. When the coconut ripes, it falls in the water. The outer wall of coconut is fibrous, so it can float to long distances in water. The fruit of lotus is spongy, which helps it to float in water. Dispersal of fruits and seeds by animals. Many seeds and fruits are dispersed by various animals. These seeds have got hooks or sticky secretion that help them to attach to the animal's body. The seeds travel with the animals to distant places. Birds and animals feed on the pulpy and edible portions of fruits, like guava and apple, and pass out the undigested seeds with their fecal matter. The seeds are thus dispersed at different places and germinate to form new plants.
Yes. So, did you enjoy the video? I hope now you have a better understanding of how seeds are dispersed through different methods. Before giving you today's work, let's recap our today's lecture. Well, today we have revised our previous lecture. Like I told you, what is the life cycle of a plant? That it shows us how plant grows, changes, and makes new plants. Then I also told you about the five main stages of a plant: seed, seedling, young plant, adult plant, and in the end we get the fruit. And from the fruit we again get the seeds. Those seeds are dispersed in the soil and the life cycle starts again. Then I also told you that there are different methods of seed dispersal. Like seeds can be dispersed through animals, birds, and insects. Through animals in such a way that the seeds or fruits can be attached to their fur. And when they travel from one place to another, the seeds or the fruits are travel with them. And that's how the seeds are scattered into the soil and they start to grow. And then I told you that some insects also carried the seeds or fruits with them to different places. And some animals, like squirrels, also buried the seeds in the soil, and then they forget it. And in this way, the seeds start to grow. So I also told you that how the wind or the water helps us to disperse the seed. Like in the case of wind, we have the example of dandelion. And in the case of water, we have the example of coconut plant, because these coconut plants are mostly grown near the ocean water. And their fruits are fallen into the water. And because of the water waves, that fruit is carried away from their parent plants. So in this way, the seeds or the fruits can be dispersed from one place to another, and this is how the seeds are start to grow again. So now I think you have better understood the whole process of seed dispersal and how seeds are dispersed through different methods. Now I'm going to tell you today's work. Well, today we will going to do the question answers on our notebook with the proper format. I will also share the image with you. Plus, you will going to do the question number 5, that is the true false on your book, and that will be your homework. So I will going to share the image or the file in your WhatsApp group. You don't need to worry about it. If you don't understand anything, you can ask me in your WhatsApp group. So I'm also sharing all the details in your WhatsApp group, that how you have to write the question answers and how you have to do your homework. So you don't need to worry about it. I hope you have understood today's lecture. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.